Students from UBC's civil engineering program begin their day at Magnesia Creek near the village of Lions Bay. They're conducting a long-range hydrology study.
Lions Bay, they're taking all their drinking water from just a couple streams. They don't really have a reservoir or anything to store their water, so they need to know how much water they have so they can plan for the future.
What did you record? 23, 22?
The goal of the larger research program is aimed at trying to distinguish between what water comes from snow and what water comes from the groundwater sources, to be able to better predict in dry summers how fast the flow will go down over time, and also how climate change will affect the flows in the longer term.
The students are determining the river's flow rate by measuring its velocity, depth, and width.
We release traces of salt to measure the electric conductivity, and from that we can get the concentration of salt found in the stream to get the total flow. So we know the quantity of water we can obtain for the drinking water processing plant.
Lions Bay is one of the few metro municipalities who gather and treat their own water, obtained from the natural watershed via two precariously situated water intakes.
Unlike the rest of Metro, we make our own water. We draw surface water from two creeks. The supply is constrained in summer, and so we have to manage our supply very carefully. Unlike Metro, which has reservoirs that are full year-round, and so we have to be very careful in terms of consumption and in terms of capturing what it is that we need.
The results of this hydrological study will help predict future water supply needs and climate change impacts.
The longer range point of the study is to understand when our supply is going to be so constrained that we need to have alternative plans in place.